$6 million is heading to help homeowners, renters, and businesses in Vermont with rebuilding from the July flooding. Efficiency Vermont says the initial $10 million from the state's emergency board has been combined with $25 million in American Rescue Plan Act money and other funding for the new relief package. Low and middle income Vermonters can get help replacing home and water heating systems and other home appliances with more efficient ones. The money can also be used to upgrade electrical panels to accommodate heat pumps and other electrification efforts. It goes live September 5th.